What's up everyone? Welcome back to SainzFab and welcome back to a how-to video where we are going absolutely back to basics with this Mk1 MX-5 and we're doing an oil and filter change. It's really, really easy. Let's just smash it out, yeah? Let's go. Now this car being really, really low, I have to ramp it up just to get the jack underneath. But once it's up, I can get it on stands. Nice. Now, underneath the engine, on the driver's side or offside, you've got this one here. And that needs to be undone. Just crack it off for now until you've got it finger loose. Then you get your tray in. Because if you put your tray in first, you can't get the oil out. Well, you can't turn your spanner. Right, hold on. Here we go. Where is it? There it is. That's a terrible camera angle. How are you supposed to see anything with this? Hang on. What, here? There we go. Got on my fingers. God damn it. Let's let that drain and we'll find the filter. Go. Lovely. Check this out, genuine Mazda oil filter. That's pretty cool. Got the filter there, sealed up. Also got a sump plug washer. We'll put this here safe and we'll come back to that in a sec. There's the part number if you needed it. And let's get this open. Lovely. Right, we need to get a touch of oil on this before we fit it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Fingering and rimming. What fun, eh? Didn't think you'd be doing that today. Well, you might be. I don't know what you get up to every evening. And if I feed the camera back down here, you'll be able to see where the oil filter came from and the thread that it screws onto. There's a bit of spillage there from when it undone. We'll clean that off after we put the filter on. Yeah, now, this only needs to go on kind of as tight as you can do it by hand. You don't need any tools or anything like that. The seal will seal itself. The oil will make sure that the seal is nice and lubricated. Just make sure you give it a good grip and a good twist. Oh, I love it. Let's quickly go down here one last time and show you the filter on. There it is. And then let's go in with some brake cleaner and clean up that oil. Don't even know if you'll see this. Lovely. That's got the worst of it. Right, clean up the sump plug, find that sump washer and put it on. Previous owner of this car did not have a sump washer on it. What a knob. Back under the car and we put the plug back in with the sump washer on. Now it's all drained out, so we'll wind it in here. Come on, come on. There you go. And when the plug's in, we can take this out the way and tighten it up. Now, if you want to be clever about it, then the torque setting is between 29 and 41. So I'm going to put it at 40 because I want it to be safe. That is not a lot. So if you're doing it with your spanners, don't go mental. This is an alley sump and you will strip it. Right, we'll finish off by Giving it a little bit of a spray of the brake cleaner to get rid of the oil. Let's bring the pan back for that. Lovely. Get rid of some of that oil. Now this car looks like a right mess because it's also got a rocker cover gasket leak. But that's for another time, that's not today. Ah, I just put the... God damn it. I'm going to take the car off of the stands before putting the oil in it because the dipstick is set so that it's done when the car's on the floor. So if the front's up, it's going to read wrong. Make sure that when you lower your car, you take everything out from underneath it. Because if I'd have left that under there and dropped the car on it, it would have really sucked. Right, let's get some oil in it. We need, this is a 1.6, so it takes 3.7 litres. If you've got a 1.8, it wants 3.8 litres. But when you're actually doing this, we're going to go off the side of the bottle. This is a 5 litre bottle, so we'll take it down to about 3.5 litres, and then we'll just do the rest off the stick anyway. Right, put your oil cap back on, and then start the car. You want it to, oh, where have I put the key? There it is. Start the car, you want the oil filter to fill up. We'll give this a minute. I do like these, I really do. Not this one, but I really like them. That's unfair. I think when this one's had the work put into it, it'll be all right. A lot of work though, a lot. That'll do. All right, let's check the oil. Clean it off. Back down. Come on. God, what are we on? What are we on? Can you see it? There. We're about here. That's not bad, is it? Not bad. Just a little drop more. I bet if I don't use a funnel, I'm going to spill it now. Gently. Give it a sec. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, look at it! Look at it! Needle in, oil cap on. Close the bonnet down, and we're done. That was easy, wasn't it? Said it would be easy, and it absolutely was. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it was helpful to someone. Press all those buttons like all the others tell you to do, and we'll see you in the next one. Nice, cheers.